Most people think Uber drivers make easy money. Just drive around, pick up passengers, and cash out daily. But the truth will shock you, because behind those rides, behind those smiling 5-star ratings, there's a reality most people never talk about. And today, I'm breaking it all down. If you've ever thought about driving for Uber, or you believe it's a quick way to make money, you need to watch this till the end. Let's start with what everyone wants to know. How much do Uber drivers actually make in the US? On average, most Uber drivers make between $15 to $25 per hour. Sounds good, right? But wait, that's not what they take home, because that number is before expenses. Depending on the city, the time, and demand, some drivers earn more, while others struggle to even make minimum wage. For example, a driver working 40 hours a week might make around $600 to $1,000 weekly, but again, that is not profit. Now let's talk about the part nobody shows you. Expenses. This is where the real story begins. Uber drivers pay for fuel, car maintenance, insurance, car depreciation, and repairs, and sometimes unexpected breakdowns. After all these expenses, many drivers are left with just $8 to $15 per hour. Yes, you heard that right. Some even make less, especially during slow periods. So while it looks like easy money on the outside, the reality is much heavier. Now, not all cities are the same. Some places in the US pay Uber drivers much better. Cities like New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Chicago. Oh, in these cities, drivers can earn higher fares because of demand. But here's the twist. Living costs are also very high. So even though they earn more, they also spend more. It's like running faster, but still staying in the same place. Let's be honest. Uber driving is not all bad. There are some real advantages. You can work anytime you want. No boss controlling you. You get daily cash flow and a flexible lifestyle. For many people, it becomes a lifesaver during tough times. But the downsides: no job security, no health benefits. Income is unpredictable. Long hours just to make real money, and constant wear and tear on your car. And mentally, it can be exhausting. Dealing with different passengers every day, traffic, stress, pressure, it all adds up. So, is driving for Uber worth it? The honest answer is, it depends. If you treat it as a side hustle, it can be helpful. But if you depend on it as your main income, it can be very challenging. Because what looks like freedom sometimes comes with hidden costs. At the end of the day, Uber driving is not just about driving. It's about time, energy, and sacrifice. Some drivers are smiling, but behind that smile, they are calculating fuel, bills, and survival. So before you say, Uber drivers make easy money, remember, there's always a story behind the wheel. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Uber driving is still worth it in 2026? Or is it just another hustle that looks better from the outside? Drop your opinion in the comments. Let's talk.